Thank you for choosing our product. It's a cost-effective product, safe, environmental friendly, hygienic and comfortable. It's non-electrical but with intelligent toilet function. You will feel comfortable with gentle natural water and reduce the release for toilet paper. Choosing ours is to choose a healthy life. This video provides you simple step-by-step instruction for installing bidet, our products to fix most the standard toilet. Now please prepare the wrench and the screwdriver. First of all, remove the seat cover from your toilet. Second, cut the PU tune into 2 pieces according to bathroom dimensions and connect them to the cold and hot water inlet of the bidet. Third, place the bidet on the toilet. Check 2 holes on the toilets and make sure the nozzle can go up and down smoothly, then reattach the 6 fittings. Fourth, cold water tune connection. Turn off the cold water supply valve. Disconnect the water supply hose. Screw the plastic T adapter to the water supply valve with the braid rubber. Make sure it's tight but do not over tight. Reattach the stainless steel branded hose to the valve. Unscrew the ring nut from T adapter. Thread the PU pipe through the nut and push the end onto the T adapter with the rubber. Fifth, hot water tune connection. Shut off hot water supply valve and remove the hose. Connect the brass T adapter to the hot water supply. Reattach the stainless steel hose to the valve. Unscrew the nuts from T adapter, then connect the PU tune through it and screw the nuts tightly. Finally, install the toilet seat cover and congratulations, you have finished the installation of your bidet. Now turn on water supply valve for testing. First button we have 3 modes for option. First is rear washing. Second is female washing, which the angle is different and the spray is more softer. Nozzle cleaner mode basically run water over the nozzle to wash it before or after using. Second button is for temperature and water pressure control. Before using hot water function, check the temperature by turning into self-cleaning mode until it gets the suitable temperature. Then turn the dial up very slowly to reach the most comfortable spray strength. As you can see from the testing, it washes cleaner than paper and will bring you more comfortable spa experience. Use the bidet every day, get more clean and healthy.